Many of you probably played games and got surprised by how good main menu can look. So let's dive into this tutorial in which I will show you how to create main menus as beautiful as these. First thing you have to do is launch Unity. Then you can change the name of the scene to something like menu. It will make everything cleaner. Next, you create canvas. You can name it how you like. Now comes very important step. We have to make canvas scale with screen size. To do it, you click on canvas, and in the inspector, you choose the option called scale with screen size. If that's done, we can go to the next part, creating UI elements. First element that we will create is background for our main menu. So first, you need to create an image. Then you make it cover entire screen using inspector. When you have done it, you can pick color for background or upload your image, it doesn't matter. So now you have background done, but it misses something. We should add text with our game name. We can do that by adding text element. You can choose either normal text or Text Mesh Pro. Personally, I think Text Mesh Pro is better, so I would recommend choosing it. If you choose Text Mesh Pro, you have to install Text Mesh Pro Essentials. It's only one click. So now you have to open Text Object in Inspector. After that, you scroll to Component Name Text. You can put your custom text, change font, and many similar options. But the menu still looks very empty, so now we will add some buttons. We will add 3 buttons, one for starting game, opening settings, and quitting game. So now add 3 buttons and place them where you want. After that, we will change text of each button. If that's done, we have to make main menu functional by adding functions to buttons. So now, create a script and open it. In the script, we have to import scene management. We can do that by typing using Unity engine.scenemanagement. It will allow us to change scenes. So now let's get to writing main code. You can delete 2 main functions. We won't be using them. Next, we will create a void named starting game. In this function, we will write code to change game scene. We will do that by writing scene manager.loadScene. Then we can duplicate this function and change its name and scene manager function to setting scene. The last function will be called quitting game. In it, we write application.quit. And that's all for the script. The only 2 things to do left are adding 2 more scenes and adding created functions to buttons. The first thing is very easy. You just create new scene and add it to the project. I will show you how to do that. The second thing is also very easy. You just have to drag the script to the canvas object. Then you click each button and scroll to the element called onClick. There you click plus and drag canvas object. Then you just choose the function that we will like to use, and that's all. Now we will check if everything works fine. As you see, everything works fine, so that's the end. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be more than happy if you do that. See you in the next video.